Hello, welcome, welcome. It's Ambi from Ambi Ray Nails, and today we are going to be doing like a drag marble design. I've already done one coat of white that is fully cured, and now I'm going to go in with just a thin layer of white. We're going to leave this one wet. Perfect. Now I have gone ahead and I have put my colors on my little paint palette here, so it will be easy to just grab them with my dotting tool. You could also use the brush straight out of the bottle, but then you have to clean it really well to make sure that you're not contaminating your other colors. You're going straight on to the wet white. It's very important that you don't cure that. And you're just going to make dots all over here. Okay, clean off your dotting tool. Go on with your next color. Doesn't matter what they look like because you're going to be dragging through it with your ombre brush. I'm using these for an Easter set, so I have gone with some pretty little Easter colors, but you could really do this with whatever you want. All of the polishes that I'm using are from Canny Hema Free. Okay, now that you have done your dotting, I want you to take your ombre brush and we're just going to drag these through. Just drag it down through it. And it really is just as easy as that. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and cure that for a minute. Okay, and now that that is cured, you can see those beautiful colors. All you have left to do is to top coat, which you guessed it, I am using my glow in the dark top coat. Back in the lamp, 1 minute to cure. And there you go. A super easy drag marble nail that you can do at home. Let's see what it looks like on my fabulously fake hand, Annabelle. Look at how pretty that is and how perfect for Easter. Absolutely gorgeous. You could put a pearlescent chrome over the top. It would be so pretty. Well, I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. That's all for today. So have a great and beautiful day, friends.